Get ready, Apple fans. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is set to change everything you thought you knew about iPhones. While Apple updates its lineup every year, 2025's iPhone 17 Pro Max is already generating serious hype. From radical design changes to massive camera upgrades, it looks like Apple is pushing the limits this time. Let's dive into the biggest differences between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone 16 Pro Max and help you decide if it's worth the upgrade. 1. Fresh design with a premium feel. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to ditch the titanium frame from the 16 Pro Max and switch to a lightweight aluminum frame, giving it a better grip and lighter build. The back could feature a stylish mix of glass and aluminum, offering a more premium and futuristic look. The camera module? That's getting a bold redesign too. Say goodbye to the square bump. Hello to a larger, rectangular aluminum housing that screams durability and elegance. 2. Next-gen display tech. Leaks suggest Apple is introducing a brand new anti-reflective display on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It will offer better resistance to glare, scratches, and smudges, perfect for outdoor viewing. While the iPhone 16 Pro Max's ceramic shield was already tough, this new tech takes it a step further, improving clarity and screen longevity. 3. A giant leap in camera power. This is where things get exciting. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could feature a 48MP telephoto lens, up from 12MP, making zoom shots crystal clear. The other two rear lenses may also jump to 48MP, giving you triple 48MP camera power. Plus, the selfie camera could be upgraded to 24MP, doubling the resolution for sharper video calls and low-light selfies. 4. Blazing fast performance. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to pack the new A19 Pro chip, faster and more energy efficient than the A18 Pro, and the 16 Pro Max RAM could also bump from 8GB to 12GB, giving you smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and next-level gaming performance. 5. Expected launch and price. Mark your calendars. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is likely to launch between September 11th to 13th, 2025. And despite all the new upgrades, Apple might keep the price tag around the same, Indian rupee 144,900 in India, just like the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Which iPhone should you choose? If you want the latest tech, better performance, and camera innovation, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the clear winner. But if you're budget conscious and still want a powerful flagship, the iPhone 16 Pro Max remains a strong contender with great performance and build quality. Final thoughts. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be a game-changing device with major improvements in every area: design, display, camera, and speed. But until Apple's official launch in September, the iPhone 16 Pro Max continues to be a reliable and premium iPhone. Stay tuned to Touch Trove for the latest Apple leaks, comparisons, and updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.